Welcome to Balaji Education YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see the second part of the revision of the previous topics. So if the questions asked regarding the expenditure, price, consumption, then the formula will be the expenditure equals to price into consumption. So this is the only trick we have solved the many questions regarding this topic. So our next topic is the compound interest. In the compound interest we have seen the many problems regarding this only with these tricks. Like compound interest for 2 years means we have used the circle trick. So here you need to take the principal, here you need to take the SI of the principal. In order to find the SI we have again seen the mini trick, like for the percentage, if we given for the percentage, if we divide by the 100, then we will get the fraction. We have converted the percentage to the fraction, again we have multiply with the principal, then we will get the SI, and again same fraction if we multiply with the SI, then we will get the interest on the interest. Like for the first year of simple interest we will get the interest on interest to at the year of second year. So if the combination of the SI and interest on the interest, we will get the final as the compound interest. So this is all about the trick for the 2 years. Again we have seen the trick for the 3 years. Like we need to take the principal here, we need to take the SI by the multiplication of the fraction, like the percentage of the rate of interest to the fraction we have converted, and we have multiplied to the principal, and we have multiplied to the simple interest. We have find the interest on the interest like this. Like this will be the SI, and this all will be the interest on the interest. So this is the interest on the interest on interest. This is the interest. This is the interest of this interest, like IOI, and this is like IOI and OI, like interest on the interest on interest. So the simple interest plus all this interest will give the combination of like compound interest. This is the trick for the 3 years. So we have seen the questions regarding this. So again sometimes it may ask like find the compound interest. If he asks the total compound interest percentage we need to find, means here we have taken a few trick like the triangle trick, like 2 years means simply you need to multiply here with 2. Again for the 3 years means you need to multiply the 3 and 3. If the 4 years means you need to multiply like 4. This is the 6, we have derived like 3 plus 3 which is like 6. So 6 and 4 you need to multiply. For the 5 years it is like this is the for years. So if the 5 years given means you need to multiply like this, like 5 you need to multiply later 4 plus 6 and 4 plus 6 10 5 you need to multiply. So for if the question is like x interest per annum for 5 years, we need to find the components of percentage, means here we have taken like this, like you need to take the x power 1, x square, x cube, x power 4, x power 5 for the number of years. It is like 5 years now. I have taken the 5 years up to the power 5. Later you need to multiply with this, like the triangle you need to multiply like 5, 10 and 5 you need to multiply. So this is the up to here you will get the point. So you need to multiply only the 2 digits, and if the extra digit will be get means you need to add here. So again you need to calculate only 2 digits. So this is also compound interest percentage. We have seen the many problems in the previous video. Again later our topic is the percentages. If the percentages are given, we have seen with the reference map trick, the like left value. Let us solve one question regarding this. Like there are 2 candidates in an election, 20% of the voters did not cast their vote. So map trick is nothing but here it is like 100%. In this 100%, the 20% of the voters did not cast their vote. So 20% voters did not cast their votes, means it is like not cast, let it be. So casted votes are 80%. Again 12.5 votes declared as invalid. So in this 12.5% is as invalid, means remaining is the valid votes. So in this 12.5% is like 12.5% we need to convert into fraction, like 12.5 by 100, which is nothing but 1 by 8 we need to multiply. When we multiply 1 by 8 to this number, we will get here like 10. Here we will get the 10, like 80 by 8 which is like 10, and the leftover value is here. Here you can do like 12.5 by the 100, which is like when you take the point here, then you can add the 0 here, like 125 by 1000, which is like 1 by 8. When you multiply here, you will get the value. So here the leftover value is 70. In this 70, again it is like the 12.5 votes are declared as invalid and winner gets 60% of value. Sorry, we have done the mistake. Like here it is like 6 by 10 na? So 6 by 10 means even if we multiply with 7 into 6 by 10, you will get the value as 42. The remaining value is here from this 28. So the difference of this is will be the 5600. So 5600, the difference will be the 14. If 14 is 5600 means like for the 100 we need to find. If 14 is 56 means here when we multiply here 14 4 ja, which is like 56. So for the 1 it is like 400. For the 100 we need to find na. So for the 100 it is like, for the 2 zeros again we need to add extra 2 zeros. It is like 40,000 voters are there in the next topic of the percentages. We have seen the questions regarding this, like the overall percentage increase or the decrease we need to find means, so we need to write the initial percentage here and the final percentage here. So the multiple percentages are given, initial percentages and the final percentage. So you need to multiply all those, then the difference of this will be give the increase or the decrease percentage. So we have seen the trick. We have used this trick in that videos. So don't miss out that videos. From that definitely the question will be hit using this trick. Like in the mensuration, if anything is given like the volume is increased or the area will be increased or the perimeter or the surface area we need to find means, we need to take the formula and we need to take the initial quantities and we need to take the final quantities. We need to make the initial quantity which is equals to the 100% and we need to take find the final quantity with reference to the initial quantity percentage. So this gives the increase in the overall percentage or the decrease in the overall percentage. So this all the tricks we have seen in that previous video. I will put the link of that videos in the description or the complete aptitude playlist in the description, and I will put the aptitude playlist in the I box. You can check out here. Again let us move to another topic. Like we have seen the mixture and alligation topic. Mixture means the two quantities are mixed, like if like milk and the water is the best example of the mixture topic. So mixture and water, if the percentage or the ratios are given, we need to find the initial quantity means here you need to take the ratio of the total quantity, means the addition of this, like milk and the water will be the total ratio quantities. Again you need to write here the initial quantities or the ratio of the milk. So the number of times the quantity is removing we need to count. So n will be the number of times removed. Like initially we have the pure milk x liters, in that some y liters of water, in that the y liters of the mixture is removed and again add with the water. So this process is repeated up to some number of times, means you need to count that one number of times. You need to the inverse power with this the ratios, then you will get the finally when you solve it you have get the one ratio. The difference of this is will be the equals to the removed ratio, like y quantity we have removed now, so which is equals to the y quantity. We have discussed this trick in the more detail in the video. You need to see. If people who are seeing this, I think you are getting the thing, like you have getting these things. The main purpose of this video is only the revision of the tricks. So after that in the mixture and alligation we have seen this trick also, like if mixture is given we need to find the ratios, like the prices and average prices is given, we need to find the ratio, means here you need to write the prices and you need to write the average price. You need to difference this in this way and you need to difference in this way. If you calculate the ratio, then that will be the ratio of quantity of the two quantities in the mixture. So this is also trick we have now seen. Let us move to the partnership topic. In the partnership only the one concept is there, like capital time, the profit will be the capital into time. In between the ratios are present. So this all the tricks and all the methods regarding this we have seen the many questions. So don't miss out that video. People, if any of the people are watching that videos and seeing this, they will get the idea on the tricks what we have seen now. So thank you for the watching. If you learnt anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. If your friends are preparing for the aptitude, please share my videos.